When you have a dream or a burning desire to become something in your life, which may be a doctor, engineer, or a fashion designer, a coder, robotic engineer, dancer, a singer, a motivational speaker, or a trainer, trust that the resource to become that person has already been provided to you. All you need to do is draw upon that resource and work on it consistently till you become the person you most want to become. When I had a dream of becoming a trainer, there was this negative guy inside me telling me, Rajiv, you can't do this. Rajiv, you have no knowledge. You have no experience. Nobody is going to pay you for your training. But I am grateful to my dream that kept prodding me on till I became the trainer. And I believe that I am a good trainer. I am an excellent trainer. Well, that's my belief about myself. Now, where did the resource come from? It did not come from somewhere outside, but it came from within me. So I had to draw upon that resource and I had to constantly work on it till I became the trainer. So, whenever you are given a dream, always believe that you have been also given the resource to fulfill that dream. Because if you were not given the resource, you would not have got the dream or the burning desire in the first place. So I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye.